How to log into Facebook account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So in order to log into your Facebook account, you have to have your Facebook app in your device. For that, you can go to your Google Play Store, and from over there you can download it in your device. After downloading, you have to simply open the Facebook app. After opening the app, you'll be able to see this interface over here. Since we are looking for logging into your account, you have to tap on the text box over here and you can type your mobile number, or you can also enter your mobile number that you have added to your Facebook account. After that, you have to tap on the password, and here you have to enter your password of your Facebook ID. After that, you can log in. If you forget your password, then you can simply tap on the forget password option, and from over there you will be helped to log into your account. And by following this simple step, you can log into your Facebook account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.